Xiaomi, renowned for its innovative approach to technology in household appliances, continues to push boundaries in the kitchen appliance space with its latest creation, the Mijia 5.5L Visual Air Fryer. Building on the success of its predecessor, the 4.5L model, this upgraded iteration promises even more culinary possibilities for families and those seeking to create larger, flavorful meals. The Mijia 5.5L Visual Air Fryer is now available for pre-order exclusively on JD.com. Xiaomi understands that cooking for a family or preparing a feast often requires ample space, and this enhanced capacity is tailored to meet these needs. A standout feature of this air fryer is its 6.8-inch ingredient viewing window, which allows users to keep an eye on their dishes without the need to interrupt the cooking process. This innovation fosters a sense of culinary mastery, ensuring that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. The appliance also introduces efficient oil removal and no-flip cooking techniques, streamlining the cooking process while promoting healthier eating habits. The Mijia 5.5L Visual Air Fryer doesn't just prioritize convenience, it also showcases technological sophistication. Sporting a circular OLED display, this appliance elegantly exhibits important cooking information such as temperature, timer settings, and various cooking modes. With a total of 12 preset recipes, a low-temperature defrosting function, and a 24-hour reservation feature, the air fryer boasts an impressive range of capabilities. This versatility enhances the culinary experience, allowing you to explore various dishes and cooking techniques effortlessly. The incorporation of NTC electronic temperature control technology ensures that your culinary creations are perfectly cooked each time, avoiding the pitfalls of overcooking or undercooking. Under the hood, the Mijia 5.5L Visual Air Fryer employs a potent 1500 watts far infrared heating mechanism, which reaches a maximum temperature of 220 degrees centigrade. This combination of technology ensures your meals are cooked to perfection, with optimal flavor and texture. Flexibility is key with this air fryer, as it grants users the ability to adjust temperatures within a generous range of 40 to 220 degrees centigrade. It also accommodates cooking durations of up to 24 hours, making it ideal for dishes that require slow cooking or marination. Additionally, the appliance offers a convenient 30-minute automatic keep-warm function, ensuring that your food remains at the perfect temperature until you're ready to indulge. True to Xiaomi's integration prowess, the Mijia 5.5L Visual Air Fryer seamlessly fits into the Xiaomi ecosystem. It is compatible with the Xiao AI voice assistant, allowing for convenient hands-free control. The smartphone app further enhances control options, while its compatibility with Mijia smart home setups solidifies its place in your connected home. The Mijia 5.5L Visual Air Fryer by Xiaomi is not only a culinary marvel, but also an excellent value proposition for its customers. With a retail price initially set at 399 yuan or $54, this appliance is already competitively priced considering its advanced features and capabilities. However, Xiaomi is going the extra mile to make this innovative kitchen companion even more accessible to its eager customers. For those who are quick to recognize the potential of the Mijia 5.5L Visual Air Fryer and opt for the pre-order option, an exciting opportunity unfolds. Xiaomi is offering an exclusive discount for pre-order customers, allowing them to secure this cutting-edge kitchen appliance for a remarkable price of just 369 yuan or $50. This substantial discount not only demonstrates Xiaomi's commitment to providing value to its loyal customers, but also emphasizes the company's intention to encourage early adoption of their latest innovation. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like buttons. Have a nice day and see you soon.